Welcome to a message from our friends in the mythical realm. I'm Sara Jane, and I have been channeling them for a number of years now. Many different friends in the mythical realm, and they are all friends, in spite of the myths and legends that surround so many of them. This particular message is from Moonbird. If you've never listened before, my suggestion is just relax, eyes closed, and listen. I am going to be literally sharing this message as I'm recording it. Let's see what Moonbird has to share with us. By the light of the silvery moon, have you ever been for a walk in moonlight? Have you ever seen the path on water from the moon to the land, whether a lake or the sea? Have you truly looked around you and felt the energies of the moon, especially the new moon or the full moon? The moon goes in cycles. Your life goes in cycles. The ups and the downs. The moon goes in cycles with the sun on a daily basis. The sunset, the moonrise. The sunrise, the moonset. They move across the sky, always there for us. Your life moves on. If there are things that you are hankering for in your past, they are in your past. Open your eyes. Stop looking to your past and look to your future. What is coming next? Let your life open up to what is coming next. While you keep looking behind you, you are missing the potential of so much in front of you. Yes, it can be hard to say goodbye, but every goodbye is a new beginning. Let yourself have the expectation of a new beginning, of new experiences, new friendships, new relationships, new jobs, maybe even a new country. What is waiting for you when you allow the sun to set and the moon to rise, the moon to set and the sun to rise? It's goodbye to the old and welcome to the new. There is always light. It is just up to you whether you choose to see it. Your happiness comes from within you. It has nothing to do with others. And if you are unhappy, what can you do to change that? What can you do to bring laughter and joy back into your life? It is all your choice, and it is all within you. It is not for others to help you to laugh and make you happy. That's your choice. Be happy with yourself in your own company, because you are never alone. You are always surrounded by so many guides and guardians who are here for you. Open your heart, your mind to the new, to the challenges, to the growth, to the fun and the laughter, and enjoy this life. That is what is hoped for you. And we hope you allow yourself to find it within you. Namaste. If you would like to read this message, you will find it on ourmagicalfriends.com. That's their website, under Messages and Wisdom. There you will also find messages from the dragons that guard over the Earth's crystals. I bring you one of each a month. If you would like a copy of the messages as they come out, I only send one email a month. On the website, you will find the facility to sign up to their monthly newsletter. In that newsletter, I send you the copy of the most recent message from the Mythical Friends and the previous month's message from the Crystals Dragons. It is one message a month, one email a month. Unless I forget the attachments, then you'll get a second one, so I remember to do that. Take care, be safe, stay well, enjoy the messages from our mythical friends. Namaste, sweet souls.